In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change RSS feed settings. If you manage a podcast, your RSS feed is the backbone that distributes your show to listening apps. Keeping it accurate ensures new episodes publish smoothly, and your contact information is up to date for verifications and listener communication. I'll walk you through the process in Spotify for podcasters and share a few quick tips to avoid common hiccups. Start by opening Spotify for podcasters and selecting your podcast from the dashboard. If you manage more than one show, take a second to confirm you're on the correct one by checking the show artwork and title. This avoids accidentally editing the wrong feed. Once you're in the correct show, look for the main settings area. You'll find podcast settings, and inside that, a section labeled RSS feed. This is where all the feed-related controls live. If the layout looks slightly different on your screen, don't worry. Menu names tend to stay consistent, so focus on the wording, podcast settings, and RSS feed. Inside the RSS feed section, you can update your feed URL, your contact email, and other feed details. Think of the feed URL as the address that podcast apps use to fetch your episodes. If you've switched hosting providers or are consolidating shows, this is where you paste the new feed URL provided by your host. Be careful to copy it exactly as given and avoid test or staging links. Your contact email is used for ownership verification and important notifications. Choose an inbox you actively monitor and keep it professional. Avoid personal addresses you don't plan to check regularly. Other feed details may include elements like the owner name, show category, language, or content flags, depending on what's available in your account. Keep these consistent with how your show is presented publicly. Clear, accurate metadata helps directories categorize your podcast correctly and improves discoverability. After making changes, take a moment to review everything on screen to make sure it's correct and consistent. Small typos in a URL or an outdated email can cause delivery delays or missed notifications. Once your updates are applied, give podcast platforms some time to catch up. Feeds often refresh on a schedule, so changes may not appear instantly across every app. If you're migrating to a new feed, keep an eye on your next episode published to confirm everything flows as expected. That's it. By opening Spotify for podcasters, heading to podcast settings, then RSS feed, and updating your feed URL, email, and related details, you'll keep your show healthy and easy to find. Thanks for watching and happy podcasting.